Today I'm using this Canva template to create quick and easy mockups, plus how to make short animated clips like this. This mockup is available through my Etsy linked in the description. Click on the Canva icon to open the template. Notice that there are 4 pages in this template. Click on Position in the top bar to view the layers. Feel free to take a screenshot here with all the layers labeled. There are 2 frame layers which are positioned as the top 2 layers when you first open the template. The first one is a frame showing the front design on the glass, and the second frame with a low transparency shows the design at the back of the glass, which is visible since the glass is clear. Drag and drop your uploaded designs, then move this design layer to the position shown here. Then drag your design into the back of glass frame layer. Make sure you flip it horizontally since it's the backside that's showing through the glass. You can temporarily adjust the transparency of this layer to see better while you're making the adjustments. Then once you're done, move the second design frame to the position as shown. In between these 2 design layers is the coffee layer, which you can turn on by changing the transparency. Here is a bonus tip. Since you can change the background in this mockup, you can open the glass group by temporarily ungrouping it so that you can make adjustments to the glass to better fit the tone and style of the backgrounds that you use. As seen here, you can click on Edit for each of the components of the glass, play with the adjustments, and find the look that best matches the background that you use. Then once you're done, make sure to group them back again so that it's easier to work with. Similarly, you can also play around with the adjustments of the glass highlight. To change the background, you can just drag in the background you like to use, fit it to the whole image, then send it to the back. Then you can play around by editing the adjustments for this background layer and any of the other layers to make sure everything blends cohesively. Once you're done, group all the layers together except the background, so that you can move and scale the glass without missing any elements. You can then also add an animation to create a short clip for your social media. And finally, to save, click on Share at the top right corner, select the file format and the page you like to export out, then click Done. Let's move on to the second page, which is mostly the same except for under the glass group there is a straw group that you can move around, animate, or remove. For the third and fourth pages with the 3 glass options, each glass is grouped together, and you can ungroup one glass at a time to work with, then grouping it back together before working on the next glass to stay organized and not get the layers confused. Another tip is that you can detach the image from the background to use solid color backgrounds or gradients. Then scale, move around, and play around with different layouts to create endless possibilities. Thank you for watching, and let me know if you have any questions.